We've got some exciting leaks today that show the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might look familiar, but there's one big twist that could make a huge difference. Let's dive right in.
Yeah, same shit, different day. If I'm getting paid, then you know I'm on the way. Pushing PCH, crib feeling like a cage. TVs in the whip and they playing Soul Train.
Right off the bat, you'll notice a Pixel 10 Pro Fold retains Google's signature elegant porcelain finish. Similar to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, visually the design might seem unchanged at first, but looks can be deceiving. Or, in this case, maybe not. Sure, the external display continues with its centered punch-hole camera, maintaining a smooth user experience when folded. However, the real excitement here is the rumor that Google plans to release this model at a significantly lower price point. Inside, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold keeps its spacious internal screen with slightly thicker bezels, probably designed for improved durability, and maintains the familiar top right corner selfie camera setup. On the back, it looks like we still have the same triple camera setup featuring a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide, and a reliable 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens. While hardware might look similar, Google's ongoing software enhancements always manage to deliver even better photo experiences. Now let's talk about what really sets the Pixel 10 Pro Fold apart from its competitors, like the Samsung Z Fold 6. If Google really does lower the price, we're looking at potentially the most affordable flagship foldable yet, making the top-tier foldable technology accessible to more users. And honestly, that's something we can all celebrate. Under the hood, expect Google's Tensor G5 chipset, probably paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and storage options up to 512 gigs. Last year's model impressed us with its 4,650 mAh battery and its 45-watt fast charging, so it's safe to assume Google won't compromise here, even at a lower price point. Bottom line, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might not reinvent the wheel in terms of design, but a more accessible price tag could change everything. I mean, what do you guys think? Could this be the foldable game changer that we've all been waiting for? I mean, there's been a lot of talk about foldables losing their ground. However, I think all it really needs is a proper price point. Let me know in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching.